Let us make simple, tasty, aromatic Avarebele Pulao.
Beautiful. Subscribe for more videos.
சமைக்க ஆரம்பிக்கலாமா? In a mixer jar, take 1 cup freshly grated coconut, 2 slit green chilies, some peppercorns, cinnamon stick, cloves and kasakasa, 1.5 inch ginger, 3 to 4 garlic pods, 1 handful fresh coriander leaves, 1 tablespoon dhania powder. Grind this together into a smooth paste like this. In a pressure cooker, add 2 tablespoon oil, 1 large onion sliced finely. Fry this well until they turn slightly golden. Add 250 grams of boiled avarebele. Fry this and then add the ground paste. Once it thickens, add soaked basmati rice. Add water and salt as needed. For 1 measure of rice, I have taken 1/3 measure of water. Once you see the water boil, pressure cook this for 2 whistles. Once the whistle subsides completely, gently mix the pulao without breaking the rice. Simple and aromatic Avarebele Pulao is ready. Chamayal ready.
Hit the like button, click the bell icon, subscribe for more videos.